Diner. If you would like to have more recipes or you're a fan and would like to send for a recipe or any of the recipes on the show, call. Our operators are standing by 24 hours a day. Call area code 000, phone number 000, and the address is 000 Nowhere East No Land. So today my recipe that I brought together is called My Ideal Meal for David's Poor Man's Cheap Sushi Sandwiches. What you need on these for each item is 1 can uncooked salmon, bunch of mayonnaise, some mustard, some relish, hard-boiled eggs optional. Step 1, use can opener. Step 2, open can of uncooked salmon. Step 3, use hand. Step 4, use knife or spoon. Step 5, squirt mayonnaise or open jar with hand. Step 6, use hand. Step 7, open can relish. Step 8, use hand. Step 9, put relish in. Step 10, get mixing bowl. Step 11, use spoon or knife. Step 12, mix all ingredients together in mixture and into a bowl and with the spoon until it is all in a thick mixture. Step 13, use wrist strength. Step 14, build wrist of steel. Step 15, step 15, eat, yeah. Step 16, eat fast or slow. Step 17, enjoy. Step 18, eat it every day or until it runs out or until you first puke. Step 19, eat it every day for the rest of your life, and step 20, barf for the rest of your life. These are my recipes. This is one of my recipes. If you like it, remember my number. You can call it, and any time of the day, our operators are standing by to take your calls. And if you would like this recipe and many others, follow David's recipes at david.david.david.david.david.com, which this is all make-believe, but this is my recipe for David's ideal meal for David's poor man's cheap sushi sandwiches. This is David's Sushi Bar saying over and out. Bye-bye.